pH regulation device to be as accurate as possible, you need to calibrate it properly. The pH sensor will be calibrated when you first install it and regularly when it is in use. To do this, you will need the buffer solution kit provided with the device and the bottle number 2, H2O, filled with tap water. Switch off filtration. Remove the sensor from the holder. Rinse the end of the pH sensor in the bottle filled with the tap water. Shake it lightly to remove excess water. Be careful not to touch the end of the sensor or to wipe it. Calibrate the sensor with pH 7 solution, bottle number 1. Place the sensor in the bottle. Press the cal button for 5 seconds until the following messages are displayed. Press cal. Wait around 30 seconds. If the value displayed is less than 25%, you will need to change the buffer solution or the sensor. Rinse the end of the pH sensor with tap water. Shake it lightly to remove excess water. Calibrate the sensor with pH 4 solution. Place the sensor in bottle number 3. Press the cal button until this message is displayed. Press the cal button. Wait around 30 seconds. If the value is less than 25%, you need to change the buffer solution or the sensor. Rinse the end of the sensor in the bottle filled with tap water. Shake it lightly to remove excess water. Place the sensor back into the sensor holder. Press the cal button to complete the process.